Hello students, in the unit 4, the lesson name is Sameer's Friends. So let's read the lesson. The school bell rang. All the children of class 4 were sitting eagerly for the lunch break. It was a hot sunny day and they were very tired and hungry after their sports activities. So it's a school in that children of class 4th, okay, like you only. So children of class 4 were eagerly waiting for lunch break. Eagerly means very interestingly, with most willingly they were waiting for the lunch break. Why? Because they were very tired and hungry after the sports activities, that is PT period. Okay, so these children were very tired and hungry, so they were waiting for the lunch break, and it was a hot and sunny day. Okay, after washing their hands, they rushed to collect their lunch boxes, and then they went to the playground for lunch. They began to eat their food. Suddenly, Maya noticed Sameer sitting alone in a corner. So, after hand wash, these children, after washing their hands, they collected the lunch box. Okay, and they went to the playground to sit with the friends and have the lunch. Children and all, they started to have the food. Suddenly, Maya, one of the girls, she noticed Sameer. Okay, so Sameer was sitting alone in a corner. So in the playground, he was not mingling with anybody, and he was sitting alone in the corner of the playground. He was not eating his food. So she went up to him and asked, "What happened, Sameer?" So this girl Maya, she went to Sameer and she asked him what happened. Okay, because he was not having the lunch in the lunch period. So only she went and asked, "Why are you not eating?" Sameer replied sadly, "I forgot to bring my lunch box. Mama packed it in the morning, but I forgot to bring it to school. Now I have nothing to eat and I am hungry." So this boy, what he replied to Maya, that in the morning his mother packed the lunch box, but he only forgot to bring it to school. Okay, this happens, no? Sometimes if you're getting up and if you're rushing up, if you're late, then you used to do that. So like this, that boy also forgot to bring the lunch box in the hurry. So he said, "Now I have nothing to eat and I'm hungry." Why? Because already they were tired, no? So he was very hungry. Maya felt very bad for poor Sameer. She announced to her friends loudly, "Listen, friends, Sameer did not bring his lunch box today. What shall we do? He is very hungry." Now what this girl Maya is doing? She got up and she started to shout. Announced means in a loud voice she is telling to everybody. Okay, so what she is announcing? That Sameer didn't bring his lunch box and he is very hungry also. So what shall we do? Like that, this girl asked everybody in the playground. So Shifa was the first one to answer, "Don't worry, Sameer can eat some of my food." Soon Mohan joined her. He said, "I will also share my food with Sameer." Then Ryan and Shreyas shouted together, "We will also share our lunch with Sameer." So their classmates who were there, all their friends only, no? So they and all came forward to give some of their food. Okay, so first Shifa, then Mohan, Then Ryan and Shreyas, all they came forward and they gave some of their food to Sameer to have. Okay. Soon all the children came rushing to Sameer with their lunch boxes. So all other friends also. Okay. So they also came forward and they offered some food to Sameer. Okay. Everyone started to share their food with Sameer. So Sameer had a lot of food with him now. He was so pleased with his dear friends. So all other friends also, okay, all their classmates only, no? So they also came forward and they offered food to Sameer. Okay, so Sameer was having lot of food now. Okay, if one child shares means little will be there. All other children are sharing means it will be more only. So Sameer was having full lunch, like that he had lot of food. So he was so pleased with his dear friends. Pleased means happy. Okay, so he was happy with his friends because they are offering their food for him. He had tears in his eyes. He did not know how to thank them. He only said, I wish everyone had friends like you. Thank you, my dear friends. So that is what he said. What he said, I wish everybody should have friends like this. Okay. So that he is wishing others also to have friends like this. And he also thanked his friends also. And by this happiness, he got tears in his eyes. Okay. He was in such a satisfaction and happiness. So he got tears in his eyes. So that's a lesson. So here are the new words and their meaning. Eagerly, with interest, to show excitement about something that is going to happen. That is what eagerly. Eagerly means very interested and excitement. That is the eagerly. Then corridor, a long narrow passage on a train or between rooms in a building. So corridor means in our school also we used to say, no, that's a corridor. Okay, between the rooms, the gap, that is the corridor. Announced, to tell people something in a loud voice. Pleased, very happy. So these are the new words. So I want you children to read the lesson and understand it. That's all for this video. Thank you children.